guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I would do a Jimmy Gel soak off removal video. I haven't done this yet, but it is a new builder in a bottle style product from Elegance. So you can build with this, you can extend with it, and it can still be used under any of their hard gels, including their buttercreams, colour gels and glitter gels. So these are my nails. They've been on for 3 weeks now and definitely need fixing. I have a Jimmy Gel overlay with a buttercream on top. Now the buttercream is a hard gel product, which basically means that it can't be soaked off. So we need to remove that first to get anything done. So I'm just taking my 180 grit file and just gently removing the buttercream. Now I wanted to experiment a little bit to see how much I'd need to remove to actually soak off this Jimmy Gel. So I decided on my index and middle finger, I just completely removed the buttercream and thinned the Jimmy Gel down a little bit. And then on my ring finger and my pinky, I just scuffed up the top and made little gaps in the buttercream to allow the acetone to get through and hopefully soak off the Jimmy Gel. So once I finish scuffing up the nails, they're going to look like this, and then I'm just going to start wrapping them. I prefer the pre-made wraps. I just think they're easier than faffing around with bits of foil. So I'm just going to wrap all my fingers in that with some acetone, and I'm going to leave them on for 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes, you can see on this index finger basically did nothing. It definitely softened it a bit and tiny bits were coming away, but I think they were just areas that were already lifted, and on my ring finger it did absolutely nothing. So I did have to rewrap them and left them on for another 10 minutes. So after the full 20 minutes, it began to soften just enough that I was able to scrape it away. I wouldn't say that it soaked off, it wasn't as easy as that, but it definitely softened it enough that I was able to just really gently kind of flake all these little pieces away, and then I just kind of really lightly buffed over the nail to remove any excess that was there. My ring finger was still definitely a little bit stubborn, so I would probably definitely recommend removing all of the buttercream. It did kind of come away, but in weird little chunks. So I'm not sure. I just don't think it was the easiest to remove that way. So I did have to rewrap this nail again.
Watch them disappear to nothing, disposable as chewing gum. There are deal breakers where I come from. My family.
The pinky was coming away the easiest at this point, but bear in mind that it had been on close to half an hour by now, so it had been on for the longest amount of time. So obviously the longer that you leave it on, the better, as you would expect. But it still came away in weird little chunks, and I did still have to gently buff the nail to remove any excess that's left on it. Overall, I'm just not sure if I'm going to be using this in my salon as a soak-off product. I'm definitely going to be using it in my salon on clients. I think it's going to be a really great transition product to take clients from a regular soak-off polish all the way to a hard gel. I think sometimes hard gel can be quite an intimidating thing, and I think this is a really nice bridge between the two, where clients can get used to just having infills rather than having a full soak-off every 3 weeks.
But I'm tired of lying with liars. You're the truth, I'm scared to tell. There are deal breakers where I come from. My family don't suffer, fools glad they know. Do we kiss and lie in bed to fill awkward silences? Do we feel emptiness afterwards? 'Cause I want something deeper.
guys enjoyed the video and are staying safe in this crazy time, and I will see you all in my next video shortly. Bye!
Yeah, I want something deeper.